So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in control panel. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to set the view by to category. Then you're going to select network and internet. And then once we're here, you're going to click on network and sharing center. Now on the left hand side, you're going to select change advanced sharing settings. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, if you're going to change your network discovery for public network right here, you're going to just turn this on. You could also turn on file and printer sharing. If you're going to do it for private network, you want to expand private. You could do the same thing right here. You could either turn on network discovery or you can turn it off. And you could also turn on automatic setup of network connected devices. You could also do for all networks if you expand this. You have some more options right here. And there's some more settings for public folder sharing, file sharing connection, and password protecting sharing. Now once you do all of that, you're going to click on save changes. And then it should just be instantly applied. If not, just restart your computer. And then you should be good to go.